This is an updated hazardous weather discussion for the winter storm that is currently impacting western Colorado and eastern Utah. Numerous winter storm warnings and advisories remain in effect through tonight and Monday for the area, including the mountains of western Colorado and eastern Utah and some of the valleys as well. We'll get into further discussion on those in the next few slides. Winter storm warnings for the San Juan Mountains continue through late Monday. Storm total snowfall will range from 1 to 2 feet. Winter storm warnings also remain in effect for the northern and central mountains, including the eastern Utah mountains. Those warnings remain in effect through Monday afternoon. Looks like storm total snowfall in those areas will range from 8 to 16 inches. Winter storm warnings remain in effect for the Northwest Plateau in western Colorado until midnight tonight, where total snowfall will range from 4 to 8 inches, and warnings also remain in effect for southwest valleys in western Colorado. Those will be running from 3 p.m. this afternoon until midnight Monday night. Storm total snowfall for the Cortez, Durango, and Pagosa Springs areas will range from 6 to 12 inches. Winter weather advisories are also in effect for the Steamboat Springs area. Total snowfall in the valley there will range from 5 to 10 inches by midday Monday. And the valleys of southeast Utah look to get in on the snow action as well. When snow begins this afternoon and continues through 6 p.m. Monday, storm total snowfall is expected to range from 2 to 6 inches, with the greatest amounts near the Blanding area. Here's a look at the latest water vapor imagery. We are currently tracking 2 storms through the region. One is now moving out into the plains, and we're seeing moisture wrap around this low pressure system back into the northern parts of the state. This is responsible for the snowfall across northwest Colorado. A second area of low pressure will be moving into the Four Corners region this afternoon. This will be responsible for the heavy snowfall expected across the southern valleys and into the San Juan Mountains later this afternoon through tonight and into late Monday. This is a quick look at the surface weather pattern across the region. We'll be seeing another system drop from the northwest, bringing another shot of colder air into the Four Corners area by this afternoon. This one will again lift out to the northeast and to the plains on Monday. The first system that came through last evening is now out in the plains, dropping heavy snow across portions of Nebraska into South Dakota and Minnesota. So just how much snow are we expecting across the state over the next 36 hours or so? Right now it looks like an additional 2 to 4 inches across the Northwest Plateau region, with a little bit of higher amounts up in the flat tops near Meeker. The central mountains stand to pick up another 4 to 8 inches by late Monday afternoon, and the San Juan Mountains will be picking up another 1 to 2 feet by the looks of things by Monday evening. The southern valleys and portions of southeast Utah will also be getting into the action, where snowfall amounts will range from 6 to 12 inches in the southern valleys of Colorado, with 2 to 6 inches in the southeast Utah valleys. Again, we do expect the snowfall to be picking up in intensity and coverage by this afternoon across this area highlighted in the blue oval here. So the snowfall for the Durango, Pagosa Springs, and Cortez areas will be picking up late this afternoon and continue heavy at times through tonight. The snow will then taper off during the day on Monday. Here's a quick summary of some of the snowfall totals as of 10 a.m. Saturday morning. Generally in the San Juan Mountains, looks like we've picked up anywhere from 6 to 12 inches initially from the lead system, with other mountain areas coming in the 3 to 6 inch range roughly. The valleys vary anywhere from 0 to up to about 5 inches depending on where you're at. So keep those reports coming in. Again, if you are traveling across the region, we encourage you to dial 511 for the latest road conditions across Utah and Colorado, or you could visit the Colorado Department of Transportation website at www.cotrip.org or the Utah Department of Transportation website at commuterlink.ut.edu. state.utah.gov. Again, expect travel delays across the region, especially over the mountain passes, and chain laws will likely be in effect once again. And please share your reports with us. You can find us on Facebook. Just do a quick search for U.S. National Weather Service Grand Junction, Colorado. Like us, and you can follow our daily weather graphics that we issue every morning. You can also follow us on Twitter at NWSGJT, and we can get your reports that way as well. So if you send us a report, we will receive it that way. We also have a new YouTube channel where media updates will be conducted as needed. And a quick summary of the current warnings, watches, and advisories throughout the region. Winter storm warnings again continue for the Colorado and eastern Utah mountains, and transition into blizzard warnings as we move out into the plains from Nebraska northeast into western Minnesota. Then we have winter storm warnings in effect for northern Minnesota up into the northern Great Lakes area. These highlights all continue through late Monday into the day on Tuesday. For the latest winter weather safety tips, you can visit us at www.weather.gov/GJT. If you need to travel throughout the region, try to do so during the daytime and stay on the main roads and highways. This concludes this hazardous weather briefing. Again, winter storm warnings remain in effect for much of western Colorado and eastern Utah through Monday. For the latest information, please visit us at our website at www.weather.gov/GJT. Thanks and have a great day.